Welcome to this notable and noble home on New England. It is spacious, sophisticated, and simply stunning. Take a look.
Classic charm meets modern comfort in the Colonies. Stunning stone and stucco exterior. Lush landscaping and hardwood floors welcome you to this exceptional 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Enjoy an open floor plan with a spacious living room, custom tray ceiling, and inviting fireplace. The gourmet kitchen boasts custom wood cabinetry, granite countertops, modern appliances, and an expansive curved island. Perfect for entertaining. A dedicated dining space complements the kitchen. 5 generous bedrooms offer flexible living options, with the 5th ideal as an additional living area, media room, home gym, or playroom. Step outside to a spectacular covered patio featuring a brick fireplace and built-in grill for year-round enjoyment. This is more than a house. It's the backdrop for your future memories. Your new life in the Colonies awaits.
Thank you for touring this noteworthy home on New England. Your new beginning can start right here. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.